Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and use Google Gemini CLI, the command line tool for interacting with Gemini AI. If you're using Linux or macOS, open your terminal and type sudo npm install Google Gemini CLI. The word sudo gives administrator permission to install it globally on your system. If you're on Windows, you don't need to use sudo. Just open Command Prompt or PowerShell and type npm install Google Gemini CLI. Then press Enter and wait for the installation to finish. Once the setup is complete, check the version by typing Gemini v. This command confirms that Gemini CLI is installed correctly. Now type Gemini and press Enter. It will ask you to log in with your Google account. After logging in, you'll see a chatbot interface that says, "How can I assist you?" That's it! Your Gemini CLI is now ready to use, and you can start chatting or giving it commands directly from your terminal.